Alright, so I thought I'd do a quick video to show you a weekly schedule, just kind of as a guide, that you can develop your own as well. But this is a good start for you, just to give you an idea of what's in store. So we'll start on Monday, what to do. Well, research is good on Monday, design is good, launching on Shineon, and then monitor your campaigns. So we're not going to launch anything new, campaign-wise, but Tuesday, we're going to do the research, the design, launching on Shineon, but now we're going to launch some tests. So launch a test batch of 5, launch campaigns for winners, and expand on campaigns for winners on Tuesday. Okay. Wednesday rolls around, same thing, research, design, launch, and expand. So much the same as Tuesday. Thursday, again, much the same, research, design, launch, and expand. Now Friday rolls around, you can focus on research, design, you can launch on Shineon, which means basically launching on your store, right? And then you can monitor your campaigns. But I don't really want you to be launching new stuff, on the weekend. I'd prefer you do it in the meat of the week. Saturday, monitor campaigns. So you're slowing down a bit on the weekend. And then, this actually should be Sunday. Screwed that up. So Sunday is a day off. Take a day off. If it's football season, go watch football. If it's nice out, go for a walk, go spend time with your family. Here's the thing you want to do, right? Don't get burned out. I'm guilty of this myself, so I probably shouldn't be offering this advice, but I'm going to anyway. Take a day away. Okay, just unplug. It's a high stress business, and it takes a lot out of you. So you want to make sure that you can unplug and turn your brain off, okay, as much as you can. Also, again, I probably shouldn't be offering this advice, but I'm going to. Don't ignore your friends and family. Take time with them. Spend some time with them. I know when I get into something, I am so guilty of this, it's ridiculous, but I'm going to pass it along to you. Okay? Now develop your own schedule. Write it down. Okay? Much like I did here in this video. Take each day of the week and determine what you're going to do based on what you've learned and what the system is. Plug in activities into each day. If you have a lot of days where you're not doing any activity, and then you're starting to wonder, does this stuff work? Am I doing this right? Well, just go back and look through. Okay, you'll see that the more activity you have, the more action you take, the higher your success is going to be. That's guaranteed. There's no two ways about it. So, in order to generate the activity and take action, you need to have some sort of schedule in place. So I've given you a sample one that I would recommend, but you're free to develop that into your own too. There may be niches that you get into that work better on weekends than the ones I'm in. So maybe it'll shift where you're doing the bulk of your campaign launching and expanding on the weekend and not as much midweek. Now the stuff I'm in, it's the opposite, and it's exactly what I showed. So go ahead, develop your own schedule, write it down, and make sure you stick to it. Okay? Good stuff.